right, I hope you guys can see this. And the first thing you want to do is you go to zoom.us or zoom.com. So we're going to do sign in. This account I want to show you is actually the basic account, which is the free account. So when you sign in, the first thing you want to go is in the meetings, and you want to schedule a new meeting. Schedule a new meeting. So they're going to ask you what's the name or the topic of the meeting. You can put in anything. And when are you going to meet? My group meets every Friday at 7 p.m. local time. And the Zoom Basic, which is the free account, has a 40-minute time limit. I'm hosting a weekly meeting, so I will put it weekly every week on a Friday, and I will do it for the next 6 weeks. Password is really up to you. I don't use password. And for videos, this is the default. And other than that, you can just leave all this as is. So I hit save. You see this join URL. This, all you need to do is just highlight them and copy it. So let's say you want to invite somebody, hey, please join the small group online, right? You can do this and just hit send. And when they receive it, we click it and they can join. So that's how you invite people. You can use email, you can use Messenger. That's how you set it up, and also how you invite people. We want to show you now how you can start the meetings that you actually schedule, and also how to manage them. So again, you want to go back to zoom.com or zoom.us and do sign in and log in with your account. And make sure you look at which one you want to start. This particular one I'm going to start. It looks like I already have Zoom. That's why you need to download it prior to this. You'll open Zoom meetings. I'm going to join with computer audio. If you have that red line across, that means it's stopped. So if you have mute, you're going to have a red line across. Right, I'm going to go from left to right. Invite is if you want to invite somebody else manually. Let's say you forgot to invite somebody, and you can just copy the URL, that short part, and you can copy the URL and you can paste it into a WhatsApp. You can paste it into an email. Manage participant. I'm glad AJ is here. When you manage participant, what you can do as a host, you can mute someone. So I'm gonna mute him. So he's and we can unmute him again. Also, rename is it's important. And so in this case, I'm gonna rename AJ, and that's how you do manage participant. A couple of things that are very important when you hit share screen. Make sure you check optimize screen sharing for video clip and check share computer sound. And make sure you check which screen are you sharing. So in my case, it's screen 3. There's Pastor Rick. And I'm going to hit share and I'm going to hit play. And then when you're done, you can hit stop share. All right. Chat is something that you either want to chat to everyone or you just want to chat to one particular person, and nobody else will be able to see it. Record is something that if you enable it, if you click here, you will record the session, everything about the session. So I want to make sure that you share with your participant that you're recording it, right? You don't. So make sure they're okay with it. AJ, you're good? All right, man. Take care. And I am going to stop the recording. Thank you.